Hello everyone, we have here a nice geometry problem. We have here a triangle ABC with one side given and two internal angles given, and here we are required to calculate the area of the triangle. In here, to calculate the area of the triangle is gonna have at least two sides of the triangle and one included angle. So in here we'll be finding for the value of side B by using sine law, and then calculate angle C, and here angle C we indicate that as angle alpha. Now we're going to calculate the value of side B by using sine law. So we have the formula side B divided by sine of angle B is equal to, we have this given side A and angle A, so is equal to side A divided by sine of angle A. So in here now, side B is equal to A times sine of B divided by sine of angle A. So B now is equal to, we have here A is equal to 5.9 centimeters times sine of B, angle B is 100 degrees, divided by sine of A, angle A is 42, so sine of 42 degrees. So we have here value of B now is equal to 8.68 centimeters. Next, we'll be solving the value of angle alpha. So from the triangle, the internal angles of the triangle is 180 degrees, the sum of the internal angles. So to get the value of alpha is we subtract 142 from 180 degrees. So angle alpha is now 180 degrees minus 42 degrees minus 100 degrees. So angle alpha is equal to 38 degrees. So now we have two sides and one included angle. So we can now solve for the area of the triangle from the area formula. Area is equal to side A times side B times sine of the included angle, that is angle alpha, all divided by 2. So we have now the value of A, area of the triangle. A is given 5.9 centimeters times side B, we have just found that, so that is 8.68 centimeters times the sine of the included angle, sine of alpha, where alpha is 38 degrees, all divided by 2. So area is equal to 15.76 square centimeters. This is now our final answer. And so that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and for those new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Have a great day everyone. Thank you. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.